أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. والسابقون السابقون أولئك المقربون في جنات النعيم ثلة من الأولين وقليل من الآخرين على سرر موضونة متكئين عليها متقابلين يطوف عليهم ولدان مخلدون بأكواب وأباريق وكأس من معين لا يصدعون عنها ولا ينزفون وفاكهة مما يتخيرون ولحم طير مما يشتهون وحور عين كأمثال اللؤلؤ المكنون جزاء بما كانوا يعملون لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا تأثيما إلا قيلا سلاما سلاما.
Those are the ones brought near to Allah in the gardens of pleasure, a large company of the former peoples, and a few of the later people on thrones woven with ornament reclining on them, facing each other. There will circulate among them young boys made eternal, with vessels, pitchers, and a cup of wine from a flowing spring. No headache will they have therefrom, nor will they be intoxicated. And fruit of what they select, and the meat of fowl from whatever they desire. And for them are fair women with large, beautiful eyes, the likenesses of pearls well protected, as reward for what they used to do. They will not hear therein ill speech or commission of sin, only a saying, peace, peace.
أتأمرون الناس بالبر وتنسون أنفسكم وأنتم تتلون الكتاب أفلا تعقلون.
Enjoin you albeit piety and righteousness and each and every act of obedience to Allah on the people, and you forget to practice it yourselves, while you recite the scripture, the Torah. Have you then no sense?